Slide the panels in order to figure out how to open it. If we move these panels along the side, we can move this one down here as well. It can't go up any further. Then we can push this one back over here and push this one back up here. But that just locks everything into place. If we push this one back a little bit further over top this door here, we can push this one up over here, and then we can slide off the first panel of the puzzle box. Now this reveals a 3-digit code with a stopper here that can move. To figure out the 3-digit code, you have to know a little bit of backstory. This puzzle is based on luck, which means the code is going to be something lucky. Let's try 777. We can now pull out the red piece. At this point, if we flip over the puzzle, this still does not slide out. That is because we have to remove the next panel in order to figure out how to get inside of it. There's still nothing on this side that can move. If we slide this panel off over here, you can reveal a luck symbol, which gives you a hint to the code. And then we can go and slide this last panel off of the box. You can see we can get a little bit of movement from this panel. If we flip over to this side of the puzzle box, we can also get a little bit of movement from this panel here. So instead, if we flip the puzzle box back over, we actually have to lift this panel up, flip over the puzzle box, and now we can slide open the puzzle box to reveal the hidden spot. Flip over the puzzle box to reveal the little compartment. Inside the compartment, you'll find a little ladybug.